everyone. We all are connected by internet like neurons in a giant brain. Yes, in the present world, any kind of news or information spreads rapidly to the extent that it can even reach the remote corners of the planet because of the access to high-tech gadgets and internet. We all are living in an age where there's barely any person who is not active on social media platforms like WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. You all must have heard of a word called viral. This video has gone viral. This news has gone viral. Viral simply means any kind of image, video, or a piece of information which is circulated rapidly and widely from one internet user to another. People have become highly dependent on social media for expressing their views, opinions, or sharing comments and posts apart from connecting and communicating with people. However, in some circumstances, we cannot ascertain if the facts behind such post is true or understand the legal implications of posting derogatory or untrue statements that may affect someone's life. To live with dignity and hold good reputation is every human being's right. Hence, defaming any person is considered as a criminal offense which falls under the scope of penal code. What is defamation? Defamation can be defined as publishing of any derogatory or false statements or any kind of action or gesture that may damage a good reputation of any person. Defamation is classified into two types. One is libel, which is a written defamation, whereas slander, which is an oral defamation. In UAE, Federal Law Number 3 of 1987 on the Penal Code outlines the provisions regulating defamation in Articles 372 to 375. The stipulated provisions on defamation state that any person who by any means of publicity makes another person subject to contempt or punishment or causes harm to their honor or dignity or defames or insults them over a telephone or via dispatching a letter or in the presence of others will be imposed with severe fines and imprisonment. Further, the Act states that if these offences are committed against a public officer or a public servant, it shall be considered as a serious offence of defamation. Also, the provisions provide that if the defamation is done by publishing in any one of the newspapers or in the printed form, it shall be an aggregated offence of defamation. Articles 20 and 21 of the Federal Law Number 5 of 2012 on the cybercrime law lays down as to what constitutes social defamation in UAE. Article 20 of the cybercrime law states that if any person uses computer network or information technology to insult or accuse any person in such a manner that causes the person to face punishment or contempt. Further, if such offence is committed against a public officer, it shall be considered as a serious offence of defamation. Article 21 of the cybercrime law states that if any person uses computer network or information technology to invade someone's privacy by eavesdropping, transferring, recording, or disclosing any kind of conversation or communication, whether audio or visual, or clicking photographs, or saving or generating electronic photos, or publishing any kind of news, statements, comments, or records, or scenes, or digital photos, even if such statements are true and correct, shall attract severe legal consequences. However, it is necessary for a person to file a case of defamation within a period of 3 months since the time such defamatory statements have been published against them. If you're looking for lawyers who can assist you with any case of defamation against you, or if you wish to lodge a case of defamation, FOTIS International Law Firm houses a team of well-experienced and highly qualified criminal lawyers who have been able to efficiently help clients in various cases of defamation and earn favorable outcomes. You can contact us at corporate@fotislaw.com. Thank you.